Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Sorry about my voice, but in this video I'm just going to show you guys how you can create this glow frame effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this image. You can choose anything else really. I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add in a color basically. I'm just going to select this purple one. I'm also going to mask that, but I'll do that later. Select any shape you want. I'm just going to select this heart shape and I'm going to invert that. And on the picture, I'm also going to mask it to kind of match the mask that I have on right now. Like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the color, create compound clip. Select the heart shape again and you're going to create another one for the background, and here is where you can just feather that out to create kind of like a glow effect, and I'm just going to place it downwards a little bit like so, and you can add in like other stickers to make it like cute, I guess, like that. Trying to make it look super cute, and just add in other stuff if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!